Mayday! The mailbag is overflowing. It is full of squawks, buzzing, and... ew, smelly smells. The letters are alive. I am processing data with both of my eyes, but it is too much.
Ziggy, the letters are not alive. They are just questions from our explorer friends about living things, like animals and bugs.
Emma is right, my metallic friend. It seems our listeners have been observing the animal kingdom very closely this week, and we have some fascinating mysteries to solve today.
Booting system, curiosity, on, logic, on, chicken dance protocol, stuck on, book, God!
Ziggy, wrong button. Stop the clucking.
Hoot hoot! I suppose we're doing science and dancing today. Welcome to STEM with Dr. Owl. Here we explore how the world works.
With curiosity.
Protocol 404. If this show is fun, tell a friend. If it's not, it must be a software bug. Literally, there is a ladybug on my enter key.
Let us open the first letter. This one is from Santi, who would like to know how butterflies flap their wings.
Oh, I know this one. They have tiny little engines in their wings, like tiny helicopters. Vroom, vroom.
Not quite, Ziggy. But before we explain, let us play a quick guessing game. Emma, and everyone listening at home, how many wings do you think a butterfly has? Is it 2, 4, or 6?
Birds have 2, so I will guess 2.
That is a very smart guess, but they actually have 4 wings. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. The amazing part is, the flight muscles are not even in the wings themselves. They are packed inside the butterfly's chest, which scientists call the thorax. Can you say thorax?
Thorax. Wow, so the chest muscles do all the heavy lifting? But why do they look so fluttery and wobbly when they fly?
That wobbly flight is a clever trick. Have you ever tried to run backward in a swimming pool? The water pushes against you. Butterflies move their 4 wings in complex ways to push the air around them. Their path becomes very unpredictable, which makes it super hard for hungry predators to catch them. Plus, their wings are covered in tiny overlapping scales, which create their beautiful colors and patterns.
That is amazing! They are like tiny, colorful acrobats.
Next letter. This is from Nia, who wonders why so many bugs are attracted to light. They must really love reading at night.
I do not think bugs read books, Ziggy. But Dr. Owl, it is weird how moths always bump into our porch lights. Why do they do that?
Let us play a true or false game to find out. True or false? Insects fly toward porch lights because they are cold and want to get warm.
Light bulbs are warm, so I will say true.
That is a fantastic guess, but the answer is actually false. Scientists actually think insects are not trying to fly toward the light at all. They are just confused.
Confused? How does a light bulb confuse a bug?
Well, imagine you are walking in a dark forest without a map. For millions of years, insects use the bright sky or the moon as an orientation cue to know which way is up. But when we turn on a bright porch light, the bug gets tricked and treats it like the sky.
Error. Map upside down.
Exactly. The insect tries to turn its back to the bright light to stay upright. Because the lamp is close by, instead of high up in the sky, the poor bug's navigation system breaks, and it ends up flying in endless circles or diving into the glass.
Wow, so they are just trying to fly straight, but our lights mess up their compass. Okay, let us grab another one. Oh, Jaden from Toronto wants to know why skunks stink.
It is because they do not take baths. I bet they ran out of robot soap.
That is a funny thought, Ziggy. But skunks are actually very clean animals. They do not walk around smelling terrible all the time. The stink is a special chemical defense system.
A defense system? Like a shield?
Like a very smelly shield. Skunks have two special scent glands near their tail. They store a liquid filled with sulfur chemicals called thiols. Thiols are the exact same chemicals that make rotten eggs smell so gross. If a dangerous predator tries to bother them, the skunk can aim and spray this liquid from several feet away.
Yuck! Rotten eggs! So they just spray anything that scares them right away?
Not usually. Spraying is their very last trick. First, they will stomp their little feet, hiss, and raise their tail as a warning. They are politely saying, "Please leave me alone before I use my stink."
Beep boop, incoming double transmission. Jake, age 6, wants to know, how do birds mimic human sounds? And Alden, age 4, wants to know, how do birds tweet?
Oh, I love bird songs. Do they have vocal cords in their throats like we do?
Those are brilliant questions from Jake and Alden. Birds actually have a totally different sound instrument called a syrinx. Can you say that big word with me, Emma? Syrinx.
Syrinx. It sounds like a magical musical instrument.
It really is. It sits right where their windpipe splits to go into their lungs. By blowing air through it and moving tiny muscles, birds can make incredible tweets and songs to talk to their families, attract mates, or warn others of danger. Some birds can even sing 2 different notes at the very same time.
Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a spark plug.
But wait, how do parrots talk like us? Do they know what they are saying?
Some birds, like parrots and mynas, are what we call vocal learners. They listen to sounds around them, remember them, and practice over and over until they can copy them perfectly using their syrinx. It is a lot like how humans have to practice a new song on the piano. While a few very smart parrots can learn to associate words with objects, most of them are just copying the human sounds because they want to fit in with their human flock.
We have time for one more question. Enzo wants to know why octopus and squid have different numbers of tentacles and different suction cups.
Because the octopus ate the squid's extra arms as a midday snack.
Oh, Ziggy. Let us make this a trivia question for Emma and our listeners. How many tentacles does an octopus have? Is it 8, 10, or 0?
That is easy. Octo means 8, so I guess 8.
It is a tricky trick, but the answer is actually 0.
What? But they have all those wiggly things.
Those wiggly things are actually called arms. Both animals belong to a family called cephalopods. An octopus has 8 flexible arms, which are perfect for crawling along the ocean floor, grabbing things, and sensing their surroundings. But most squid have 8 shorter arms plus 2 extra long feeding tentacles.
Oh, so what did the squid use the 2 long tentacles for?
Imagine you are playing tag, but your arms can suddenly stretch all the way across the room. Squid shoot those 2 long tentacles out to grab fast-swimming prey from a distance, then pull the food back toward their mouth. Because squid and octopuses hunt differently, their suction cups are different too. Many squid even have hard rings or tiny teeth around their suckers for extra grip.
They both have special tools built perfectly for exactly how they live.
Perfectly said, Emma. Whether it is a butterfly using 4 wings to dodge, an insect using the sky to navigate, a skunk's smelly chemical defense, a bird's magical syrinx, or a squid's long catching tentacles, animals have evolved different tools for different jobs in the wild.
Thank you for answering all our questions today, Dr. Owl. And a huge thanks to Santi, Mia, Jaden, Jake, Alden, and Enzo for sending them in.
Until next time, keep exploring and keep asking questions.
Wait, I have invented the ultimate animal. It has 4 wings, 8 arms, a syrinx, and it sprays smelly thiols. Behold the skunkopus bird. Uh-oh, my smell gland malfunctioned. I need a tomato juice bath immediately, and I hope I do not rust.
Oh, Ziggy, run away!
And that brings today's STEM adventure to a close. Remember, the world is full of wonders if you just know where to look.
Thanks for exploring with us. Don't forget to keep asking why.
Preparing shutdown sequence. Deleting. Browsing history. Deleting. Emma's math homework.
Ziggy, no! Don't delete that!
Just kidding. Robot humor. Curiosity stays on battery level 1%. Oh, almost forgot. If you have a question, leave it in the comments. My inbox is lonelier than a robot in a rainstorm.